Welcome to Ruhr West University. Located in the economic powerhouse of North Rhine-Westphalia, the Ruhrgebiet. Join us as we get acquainted with the Usability and Interaction Lab, the UniLab. Which, as you will learn, is more than just a research facility. It's a room, a hub, a welcoming place. In the usability area, we use different biometric research methods. To study user behavior, we utilize galvanic skin response, facial expression analysis, and eye tracking. Whereas in the interaction area, our focus lies on negotiation training, gesture, and facial analysis. At the same time, the UniLab is designed as a hybrid space. Meetings, conferences, and collaborations can be seamlessly plugged into the room or streamed outward.
And because the lab is part of the university's room booking system, it can be booked anytime.
The lab experience is just the first step. We connect students, researchers, and companies through our UniLab community. We look forward to welcoming you as well.